When we have questions like this which involve completing tables, what we're looking for is a specific rule which changes the top number to the bottom number. So if we look closely here, we can see, well, a 3 as a top number becomes a 12. A 4 becomes a 16. A 5 becomes 20. 6 becomes a 24. So what is the process that is happening to make the 3 become the 4? Hopefully, if you're thinking, 3 times the 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Let's write in here, 16. 5 times 4 is equal to 20, and as we can see, 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So obviously we can see that the rule is we are multiplying the top number by 4. So if we have a look at our missing values here, we can just move that away, and we can see 7 times 4 is going to be equal to 28. 8 times 4 is going to be equal to 32. See if you can identify the rule that is occurring here to create the bottom number from the top number. So 14 goes to 19, 15 becomes 20, 16 becomes 21, 17 becomes 22. So what could the missing values be here? So if you're thinking about the relationship, and it could be addition, could be subtraction, multiplication, division, hopefully you've realized it's quite a simple one. We're simply adding 5. 14 plus 5 is 19, 15 plus 5 is 20, 16 plus 5 is 21, 17 plus 5 is 22. So 18 plus 5 is going to be equal to 23. 19 plus 5 is going to be equal to 24. First, when looking at this question, you may have thought, oh, I can just see the bottom numbers going 19, 20, 21, 22. Therefore, it's obviously going to be 23, 24. Really important that you still consider the rule before you go ahead and just do that based on the pattern on the bottom number, because often you're going to find that as such in the next question that it could trick you up. So having a look here at the top numbers, we've got 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, and then 50, which is a bit odd. And then as you can see, 77, 76, 75, 74. Let's look at the possible rule that could be here. Well, 80 to 77, 79 to 76, 79 to 76, 78 to 75, 77 to 74. Hopefully you'll be able to identify there's a difference of 3. So to get from the top number to the bottom number, we're simply subtracting 3. So we've got 76 over here, therefore the next number will be 73. And then as you can see here, it's a bit different, trying to trick us out, but we've got 50, subtract 3, well, it's going to be 47. Here we go, so we're looking at the relationship between the top and bottom number. So 4 to get to 32, well, we're multiplying it by 8. Let's see if that works. The next one, well, 5 to 40, well, 5 times 8 equals 40, 6 times 8 equals 48, 7 times 8 equals 56, 8 times 8 is going to be 64. Oh, and again, trying to trick us out here, 20 times 8, well, that's going to be 160. You can often see tables get made when we're dealing with certain patterns, geometrical patterns. We're making triangles, squares, or other shapes. So as you can see here, well, one triangle, okay, has 3 matches in it. So therefore, one triangle, 3 matches. So if I have 2 triangles, you can see I've just added on 2 more. Okay, that's going to be 5 matches. Then you can see here, well, then I'm going to add on another 2 more. So we're going to end up with 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 triangles, 7 matches. So you can sort of see the pattern that is occurring. For each extra triangle, we're just simply adding on 2 more sides. So if I'm creating 4 triangles, I'm simply adding on 2 more. So therefore, it's going to be 9. If I'm adding on 5, if I'm creating 5 triangles, I'll be adding on 2 more. It will look much neater than that, of course, if you're taking your time to draw a triangle, and it's going to be 11, okay? But instead of drawing 9 triangles all together, we can see there's also a bit of a pattern and a bit of a rule that's sort of going on here. So if we look at 1, okay, 1 triangle, okay, then how does 1 become 3? Well, we can just add 2. How does 2 become 5? Oh, we can just add 3. How does 3 become 7? Oh, we can add 4. That might not be too useful though by the time we get to larger numbers. what we can do is go, well, let's double 1 and then add 1 more. So doubling 1 equals 2, plus 1 more is 3. Double 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Double 3 plus 1 more is 7. Double 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Double 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Double 9, 18, plus 1 more, and it's going to be equaling 19. Therefore, this challenge down the bottom, 50 triangles, how many maxes will that make? Well, it's not really a challenge, is it? Because we don't know. All we need to do is double 50 and then add 1 more. So it's going to be 101. 101 matches will be needed.